And this morning is the deadline for former President Trump's attorneys to respond to a filing by the Justice Department that asked the judge to lift the ban on the Mar-a-Lago document probe. The DOJ is arguing that the prohibition keeping them from using documents taken from Mr. Trump's home until the special master vets it poses a threat to national security. Also today, the DOJ and the Trump legal team respond to each other's special master nominations. Tom Dempsey is live in Washington, D.C. with the latest on this case. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Mitch. Yeah, later today, we expect to hear from both legal teams about the other side's list of nominees to serve as special master. And the list of nominees actually includes a woman who served as a special master all the way back in 2018 for a case involving former President Donald Trump and his former attorney, Michael Cohen. Both legal teams submitted 2 names for this, and you can see the list of names here. Former President Donald Trump's legal team's list includes a retired federal judge nominated by President Ronald Reagan, as well as a former Florida Deputy Attorney General. For the Department of Justice, they nominated a former federal judge, as well as Barbara Jones. She served as a special master back in 2018, identifying documents protected under privilege between former President Donald Trump and his former attorney, Michael Cohen. Again, we expect to hear both sides react to the other side's list of nominees later today. And Mitch, whoever ends up getting named as special master will be in charge of going through all those documents that were seized during the Mar-a-Lago raid and identifying any that could be protected under attorney-client or executive privilege. Mitch?
Now, we know that the Department of Justice is sort of working on 2 sides of this case. They're submitting suggestions for special master, but they've also appealed the decision to have a special master in the first place. What's the status of that appeal, Tom?
Yeah, the Department of Justice disagrees very much so with having to name a special master to this case. In fact, they appealed that decision, citing national security concerns, specifically to the ruling where the judge said that the Department of Justice can't use any of the documents that were seized for investigative purposes as the special master is going through and reviewing all of those documents. Again, the Department of Justice is appealing that ruling. And another note, later today, we could hear from the legal team of former President Donald Trump in reaction to that appeal, Mitch.
All right, that's Tom Dempsey live in Washington, D.C. this morning. Thank you for that report. Of course, thanks for watching. Go to NewsNationNow.com to find NewsNation in your cable lineup. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-based, unbiased coverage.